Hello, Lucy.
Hello.
Hi. Wow, you have a new background.
No, this is house.
This is my house. Say, this is our house.
This is our house.
This is our new house. Your new house looks very nice. How does it feel to be in the new house?
Very good.
Very good. Tell me, what's your favorite room in the new house?
Wait a minute.
Oh, are you busy? What are you doing?
My favorite room is my room.
Oh, that's a good answer. Yeah. What color is your room?
I don't know.
Is it the same color as these walls? It looks like a white.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you busy doing there?
I'm doing in my handphone the Zoom and I will show you right now.
Oh, okay. So you are joining Zoom with your handphone. Hello, Daisy. Is it working or maybe it's not working? If it's not working, it's okay, Lucy.
Wait.
Where's your baby sister? Where's Sojin?
Sir,
Yeah.
what is your that ID?
Oh, let me find it for you. I will tell you now. So it is 862
Yes.
111
Yes.
05
Yes.
654. Did you manage to log in?
Yes.
But Lucy, did you ask your mom and dad if it's okay? There we go. There is the third person. I can see you now on your phone. So now you must switch off the sound from one of them. Maybe from your computer you should switch off the sound. Switch off the sound.
How?
And the volume. Then you turn down the volume. Oh, there we go. Is it better now? Try try the opposite. Try switch off the sound from your phone. Now the thing is, now I cannot hear you. So it's because your microphone is too close to the speakers. No, cannot hear you. What if you...
Better.
Yes, now I can hear you.
No, but in here, how can I?
So there should be a microphone button. Yes, that one. But now the same thing might happen. Okay, now if you click unmute, then I should be able to hear you. Oh, you are very technological. No, wait, now both of them are muted. Now I cannot hear you. The, there we go. Now it's fine.
Guitar. is my face and my baby.
That's your sister's face, or is that your face?
My face.
Your face. That's very cute. What is that? Stickers.
Yes.
What are you going to use them for?
To stick my name.
To stick your na- Lucy, did you ask your mom and dad if it's okay? Lucy, can you hear me? Oh, but now, Lucy, I cannot hear you. Maybe you can hear me, but I cannot hear you. You are too far away. I will talk to Daisy.
I will just and I will show.
Daisy, how does it feel in the new house? Is it nice? Are you excited in the new house? Say again, Daisy?
You hello to little sister or my sister.
No, I'm talking to you now. I can see Lucy is showing me around, but she's far away from the microphone. Alright, Lucy, thank you for showing me. Yes? I think that's Lucy's room. Daisy, is that Lucy's room that she's showing me?
This?
Yeah.
This is my room.
Oh, that's your room. And
This
this...
is my sister room and mine.
Okay, so Daisy, you can be the commentator. You can tell us which room. All right. Thank you, Lucy. Lucy, come sit down. Come, let's have our class. Thank you for showing me. It looks like a very nice house. I think my favorite room is the kitchen. That kitchen looks very nice.
Yes, the kitchen is very good.
Yeah, it looks very modern, very new and modern.
Yeah. And the kitchen.
So, do you remember when you moved the first time?
I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me?
이름 건지 모르겠네요.
You cannot hear me?
I can hear you now.
Okay, now you can hear me. All right, Lucy, tell me, your new house, is it further away from school or is it closer to school? Is it...
I have to walk.
Say again?
It is so far, but I have to walk.
You walk to school?
No, I walk to home
From where?
from my old house because the school was and I had to the piano academy and there my that old house have piano academy and I go to the piano academy.
I see.
From that I walk here.
And how long is the walk from your old house to your new house?
I don't know.
10 minutes? 15 minutes?
Don't know.
Okay. Right, Lucy, thank you for showing me. Are you ready to start today's class?
Yes.
Today, I want to talk to you about McDonald's. Lucy, do you like to go to eat at McDonald's?
Yes, but my mom.
It- It's not very healthy food, but it tastes good, right?
Yeah.
Now, look at what happened here at McDonald's. There was a McDonald's cashier, this man on the right side.
Now I can see.
So, let me change the color here. He was working at McDonald's. He was the cashier and he was helping this gentleman on the left who wanted to buy a burger. But it was a bulgogi burger. He wanted to buy a bulgogi burger, but his card was not working. So he couldn't pay for the burger. So the McDonald's cashier, he was very kind and he offered to pay for the burger so that the other man can eat, so that he didn't stay hungry. So this is called paying it forward. He's paying the kindness forward. So Lucy, now I'm going to do a little bit of a role play with you. We are going to, because you have drama, right? You have CCA drama. So now let's do a little drama together. We're going to go to McDonald's. Here is the cashier at McDonald's.
Okay.
Oh, what's that, Lucy?
It's me. My sister drew me.
Your sister drew you?
Yes.
Which sister? Did Lucy draw you?
Yes.
Wow.
Wait a minute.
Lucy, you draw very nicely. Why did you draw Daisy?
Because I want to.
Wow.
Right. Fun.
Maybe you want. You used to tell me that you wanted to be a cook, a chef. Now maybe you want to be an artist?
Hey, look at this. Both?
That's really good. Lucy, how long did that take you to draw?
Very much.
How much? 1 hour? 30 minutes?
More than.
More than 1 hour. Wow.
Because those flowers are so difficult.
The flowers took long. So the face didn't take long.
Yes, this is very short, this one.
Remember, not this is this is.
This is.
Okay. So, Lucy, here is John as the customer. He wants to buy a hamburger. So the McDonald's cashier is going to say, "Hello, welcome to McDonald's. What would you like to order?" And John will say, "I would like to order a burger." Now the McDonald's cashier will say, "Sure. That will be $5. John will say, "Here is my card." But Lucy, is his card working? No, so the McDonald's cashier will say, "Sorry, your card is not working. It was declined." Lucy,
What is
declined means the machine is not accepting the card. The card machine is not accepting the payment. So the card is not working. It was declined. Then John is going to say, "Oh no, I don't have any cash on me now." So the McDonald's cashier is so kind, he will say, "That's okay. I will pay for you." Lucy, what will John say?
Thank you.
Wow! Thank you. You are so kind. Ooh. I will pay it forward. Can you read this last sentence for me? I will pay it forward.
I will pay forward.
So, Lucy, sometimes in America, maybe it happens here in Korea too. In other countries, there is a drive-through. You know the drive-through where you are in a car and you are driving through the McDonald's to order the food from your window.
Yes.
And people in the drive-thru, sometimes they want to be kind and they will pay for the people behind them. And then the next car comes and they do the same thing. They pay for the people behind them. This is paying it forward. They pay for the next people. Can you understand paying it forward? Okay, good. Lucy, let's practice this dialogue. I will be the McDonald's worker. You will be John. Hello, welcome to McDonald's. What would you like to order?
I would like to order a chicken burger.
Sure, that will be $5.
Here's my card.
Sorry, your card is not working. It was declined.
Oh no, I don't have any cash on me now.
That's okay, I will pay for you.
Wow, thank you. You're so kind. I will pay it forward.
Okay, that was easy because we were reading. Now we will do it one more time, but we will not read, and we can change the script. Are you okay if I change some words and add some sentences? I think you will be fine. Let's try. Hello, welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you? What would you like to order?
I would like to order chicken burger and cola.
Chicken burger and a cola. Just one?
Yeah.
But I can see there are two of you. Do you want to order two maybe?
Yes, I want to order two.
Okay, do you want some ice in your cola?
Yes, please.
How about some French fries?
One.
Just one. You will share the French fries between both of you?
But she loves French fries.
Oh, you don't? Oh, okay. So one
I
French...
like the ice. Don't want to like.
Okay. So your total is going to be $15.
Yeah.
How are you going to pay? Cash or card?
Oh,
Thank you. Oh no. Unfortunately, your card is not working. It was declined. Do you have another card or maybe some cash?
no. I have another card.
Okay,
Here.
let's try your other card. Oh no, this card is also not working. Maybe ask if they have another card.
Do you have another card? Yes, I have another card.
This is the third card. I hope this works. Oh no, even this card is not working. It says declined. That's okay. I can see you are very hungry, so I will pay for you.
Thank you. That's so kind of you.
I will pay it forward.
I will pay it forward.
Good job. Wow. Look how nice both of you were helping to make this dialogue good.
I am very thirsty. I will drink
Okay?
Now we sit on here.
Yes, you can sit there. You can take the big seat.
Oh,
Delicious Coca-Cola. We just ordered. You see? Oh, good. You don't like Coca-Cola?
do I like that?
All right. So Daisy, do you want to be careful you don't fall down from the chair? Right. Lucy, now I'm going to show you a little bit of a sad story from the news where a dog was chasing a animal that is called a porcupine. Have you heard of a porcupine?
Yes. Yes.
Lucy, what can you tell Daisy the Korean word for porcupine?
It is that spiky thing.
The spiky thing, yes. And what happens if the dog bites? What do you think will happen to the dog if the dog bites the porcupine? The spikes, exactly. The spikes will be stuck in the mouth. So this is the sad story of this dog. Look at this. His owner had to take him to the vet. Look how sad this dog is. Because his mouth is full of quills. These are called quills. Lucy, where do you think they are going now? Where is the owner taking him?
Vet.
To the vet. Why? Because, not because, because. Its mouth is full of?
Spikes.
Good. But these are not spikes, they are called quills. A porcupine has quills. Alright, can you read for me, Lucy? Dog learns the hard way.
Dog learns the hard way not to mess with porcupines or disagree with dad on a car ride to vet.
Yes. Don't mess with the porcupine.
And me watch?
So that video is just showing the dog in the car. It's not an interesting video. It's just showing the dog in the car on the way to the vet. Now the last article I want to show you about is from Korea. Yes, there's a new robot in Korea that was surrounded by an orchestra. Have you seen those people that wave their arms in front of the orchestra? They are called conductors. Now this robot was a conductor. Look at this. You can see the robot is surrounded by the different instruments. And this is actually, Lucy, if you see at the bottom here, which orchestra is it? South Korea's National Orchestra. Now this robot was taking the job of a conductor. Do you think in the future robots will take other people's jobs? Maybe. What jobs do you think robots can do instead of people? How about pilot, flying an aeroplane? Do you think a robot can fly an aeroplane? No, really? So actually, Lucy, right now, aeroplanes are big robots. They are computers, they are machines, they are robots, and they can fly themselves. They can fly themselves. They are amazing machines. Lucy, this conductor, this robot conductor, what was its job? What did this robot need to do? What does a conductor need to do? So I can see your sister is showing me that it's like a bunny. Maybe it's a bunny. Say again. Wow, what is that? Sojin. Okay, so two things, Lucy, just quickly, two things that the conductor does. They listen to the instruments and they can tell which instrument is too slow or too fast. and then they can, with their arms, they can send a signal to tell those people to play slower or to play faster. So they can change the tempo of the music. Lucy, can you say for me? The conductor can change the tempo of the music.
The conductor can change the tempo of the music.
Or the conductor can listen and determine that the volume is too low. Maybe the violin volume is too low and the other instrument, the volume is too high. So they will tell the volume, they will tell the people playing the violin to increase their volume. So two things, tempo and volume.
Tempo and volume.
Lucy, let's do a quick review. Can you tell me 3 articles that we saw today? What were they about? I want you to make a nice sentence for each one. The first one was about McDonald's. What about McDonald's?
Oh, McDonald's had a fun.
E-I-E-I-O. So, what happened at McDonald's?
The cashier paid for the John.
The cashier paid for the customer. Good. What about article number 2 about the dog?
And the dog went after a porcupine and it's like this.
The dog went after the porcupine and got its mouth full with quills.
Cheese.
Oh, be careful your sister so she doesn't fall down. And then the third one, the last one, Lucy, was about the robot. What about the robot? What did the robot do?
But South Korea.
Okay, so
Orchestra.
yes, the robot was conducting an orchestra. Can you say for me loud and clear? The robot was conducting an orchestra.
Robot was conducting the orchestra.
Good. Have you ever been part of an orchestra? I know you play the piano, you play the violin. Did you ever play in an orchestra? Look how nice this is. The 3 of you, if each of you got a different instrument, it would be like an orchestra and I can conduct.
We have a flute. We play flute, violin, and piano.
That's so nice. You can start a band. Lucy's band. Lucy's sister's band.
We don't have a piano.
You don't have, but you know how to play a piano. So if we find a piano, we can do it.
Yes, and violin is in my school.
Yes, you can take the violin home and then you can play some and then take it back to school. Daisy, what do you think about that? Lucy's sister's band. Is that a good name, Lucy?
No?
What name can we give your 3-sister band? The 3 sisters.
Yes.
The three sisters. But Sojin must be a little bit older, maybe. What is she pointing at? I heard her say the fashion. The fashion? Her room. Oh, she must be excited. Look how
She don't have room. She sleep with her mother.
she doesn't have. You must say she doesn't have.
Doesn't have a room.
All right. Lucy, Daisy, what are you going to do now after this class? I can see your sister is busy. What are you going to do?
Yay. I have to do another Zoom class.
You will do another Zoom class and Daisy must study for her English test tomorrow.
No, yay.
I will play a game.
Teacher, but I have to study for essay exam.
Ah, yes, you have your essay exam tomorrow. They start. Are you ready, Lucy?
No?
Yes, say yes, I'm ready, teacher.
No, I'm not.
Say, I will get ready. I will study.
I will not study.
Lucy, Daisy, it's always nice to speak to you. I will see you tomorrow at school. Have a good night. Bye bye. Bye, the three sisters.
Bye, Mr. Minna.
Bye.